How to find Wayfinder Smithing Template. So first, just go to any forested biomes, then find the structure called Trail Ruins. So it will somewhat look like this. So these are structures that will spawn on forested biomes. So as you can see, it has different blocks than the biome right here. So these are grass, then this one has gravel, and these pink blocks right here. So that's basically a sign that it is a trail ruin. Now just simply go to it and just find the suspicious gravel right here. What you will need is to craft a feather. So just put the crafting table on the ground, then put your feather, copper ingot, and stick on your crafting table to craft a brush. Now once you have your brush, just simply brush the suspicious gravel right here. So right click on it and just wait till you get your your Wayfinder Smithing template. So this might take some time, but it depends on what will go out of the suspicious gravel. So I got the purple candle right here, so it's not that. So just simply do it again. So after quite some time of digging and brushing, we now have our Wayfinder template right here. So first what you want to do is just simply duplicate it so that it won't be used up. And to do that, use diamonds and terracotta blocks. So diamonds right there and terracotta blocks right there. So as you can see, you will now have more of these. So just simply repeat the process till you have what you want. So if you want 4, that's good. Now after that, just get your smithing table, just like so. Place it on the ground, open it up, place the template right here, then place your armor, then place the type of color you want. So let's say you want a yellow color, just use gold. If you want the blue color, use the diamond one. But let's say I want gold. As you can see, it will transform to this, and now I have it just like that. And that's I basically find Wayfinder Smithing template in Minecraft.